How to manage who can add you as a friend on Discord. So first thing we do, guys, go to Discord. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now all what you should do to manage who can add you as a friend is go down and click on this option here, and it will take you to this page on user settings. Now go to privacy and safety, and it will take you to this page. You will find many options right here, but all what you have to do is go down and you will find who can add you as a friend on Discord. Now choose who can by enable or disable, whatever you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and please don't forget to like, as I said. See you later.